The Hyundai IONIQ 5 features an advanced infotainment system powered by Android Automotive OS. This centralized hub manages navigation, media playback, and vehicle controls through a large touchscreen interface. Like many early electric vehicle systems, the IONIQ 5 can experience freezes or glitches due to software bugs or overheating. Hyundai offers troubleshooting through resets, ranging from simple reboots to complete factory resets, which address issues like app crashes or unresponsive screens. Keeping your IONIQ 5's infotainment system updated is crucial for preventing problems. Hyundai's over-the-air updates have significantly improved system stability, reducing freeze occurrences by up to 30% since early 2025. These updates also enhance feature integration, including better Google Maps support and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, minimizing the need for manual resets. Regular updates ensure your system stays reliable and feature-rich. There are two primary types of resets: a reboot, also called a soft reset, and a factory reset. A reboot is a quick restart that clears RAM and closes background processes to fix minor glitches. Use this for screen freezes during navigation or audio playback. To perform a reboot, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. The system will restart in about 30 to 60 seconds. A factory reset, on the other hand, completely wipes user data, settings, and apps, reverting the system to its original state. This should only be used as a last resort for persistent issues. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, General, Reset, Factory Reset. Enter the PIN, which defaults to 00, and confirm. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes, followed by a system update. Remember to perform resets only when stationary and the vehicle is off. Hyundai warranties cover software-related issues for up to 10 years or 100,000 miles.